Once extinct Pinocchio pokes his nose out. CBS News. cbsnews.com/cbs evening news /cbs this morning /48 hours /60 minutes /Sunday morning /face the nation. Video. U.S. World. Politics. Entertainment. Health. Money Watch. Sci-tech. Crime. Sports. More blogs. The feed battleground. The WH Web Show 60 Overtime Face-to-Face Resources Mobile Radio Local. Log in, join cbsnews.com, sign in with profile, manage my newsletter subscriptions, update my email address, change my password, log out. Liveance.com/October 4, 2013, 5:38 p.m. Once extinct Pinocchio pokes his nose out. Pinocchio anoles were thought to be extinct for about 50 years before being recently rediscovered in the cloud forests of northwest Ecuador. Alejandro Arteaga /tropical herping. This ain't no lie. The Pinocchio lizard was thought to be extinct for 50 years, but has been rediscovered in the cloud forests of Ecuador. After searching for the long-nosed animal for 3 years, the team of photographers and researchers found the lizard recently in a stretch of pristine cloud forest in the northwest part of the country, said Alejandro Arteaga, the co-founder of the educational and ecotourism company Tropical Herping, which conducted the search for the lizard. Also called a Pinocchio anole, an anole is a type of lizard. The animal is named after a certain dishonest wooden puppet and was first discovered in 1953, Arteaga said, but wasn't seen between the 1960s and 2005, when an ornithologist saw one crossing the road in the same remote area in northwest Ecuador. This is only the third time scientists have spotted it since 2005, Arteaga added. Album, bizarre frogs, lizards and salamanders. Scientists typically look for lizards at night when most of the animals sleep, and when their coloring becomes paler and they are less likely to scurry away, Arteaga told Live's Amazing Planet. One of his colleagues found a single male Pinocchio anole clinging to a branch over a stream in January. The team then kept it overnight before photographing it in the morning in its natural habitat. After looking for so long, it was very thrilling to find this strange lizard, Arteaga said. The team then let the animal go. Arteaga and his colleagues were searching for the Pinocchio anole because it was the last lizard they needed to complete their book, The Amphibians and Reptiles of Mindo, a rural region a 2-hour drive north of Quito, Ecuador's capital. The book was published this summer. Pinocchio anoles Anoles proboscis are an endangered species and have been found in only 4 locations, mostly along a single stretch of road, according to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, the global environmental group. They have one of the smallest ranges of any lizard in the world, Arteaga said. The lizard's nose-like appendage is a sexually selected trait that likely serves no functional purpose but to advertise the male's good genes. Females of the species have no such noses. Other examples of sexually selected traits include the peacock's brilliant tail feathers. Extensive research has shown that these traits communicate to the opposite sex that the animals are fit and will sire high-quality offspring. Email Douglas Main or follow him on Twitter or Google+. Follow us at oplanet, Facebook or Google+. Original article on Live's Amazing Planet. Liveance.com. All rights reserved. Popular in sci-tech. Rare color photos of World War I. Photographer Anton Orlov recently found over 600+ photos from World War I in an antique camera in Northern California. A decade of incredible photos from Spitzer Space Telescope. Amazing photos of the cosmos taken by NASA's Spitzer Telescope over the last 10 years. Psychedelic Science. 18 photos haunting images of Africa and the world's deadliest lake. 10 photos pass the salt. 14 photos giant squid washes up on Spanish beach. Tarantulas are looking for love, it's mating season. 13 members of hacking group Anonymous indicted. Ready for real-life lightsabers. The world's deadliest lake mummifies animal remains. Add a comment. Submit comment. Click here to add another comment. The posting of advertisements, profanity, or personal attacks is prohibited. By using this website you agree to accept our terms of service. Click here to read the rules of engagement. Reply to comment. Submit comment. Cancel. The posting of advertisements, profanity, or personal attacks is prohibited. By using this website you agree to accept our terms of service. Click here to read the rules.